Happy Monday and welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. My name's Lindsay and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, I do want to go ahead and point out that we do have one job in today's video that is literally like entering purchase orders and doing some reporting around purchase orders, but a lot of these are going to be phone customer service based. I try to switch it up every now and again. I feel like for those of you who don't mind customer service, I haven't shared a lot in quite a while, so today is going to be more customer service based. We do have a customer service job though that is paying up to $34 an hour, so we've got some high paying customer service in here. Of course, we're going to dive all in. Links, timestamps, all additional information you may need to rotate around this video or get those applications in is always found in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just always ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And as always, sharing is caring, so share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. First up today, we have ADT hiring the home security system. They have 5,200 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for remote customer technical support. Now, this is remote nationwide for the United States. One thing I do want to point out real quickly about ADT is they have a bad habit of leaving their main job posting pages open, even when the job is closed and they are no longer accepting applications. So when you hit this apply now button, you should get a page that pops up like this that asks you for your email address where you can start filling in your information and details applying for this job. If when you click that you get a pop-up page that says this job is no longer accepting applications, they have received enough applications and are going through the interview process at that time and are no longer accepting new applicants. I just want to throw that out there. But at the time of this recording, this job is still accepting applications, but they're really looking for somebody to do technical support for, of course, their home security system. So you're going to be taking inbound phone calls, assisting customers with their alarm system questions, finding solutions for their technical issues, and then of course walking the customer through step by step how to troubleshoot their issues. Now, you're going to troubleshoot these customers' technical issues by using their guided workflows. So they're going to give you tip sheets and workflows in which you just kind of read off of and walk the customer through those steps. And of course, if you cannot assist the customer on that phone call, you will have to set up an appointment for them and schedule an on-site technician to go out to them to see if they can fix the issue. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree. None of the jobs I'm sharing today require any kind of college degree. They do require high school diploma or GED, though. Somebody who has great organizational skills, great like problem solving, troubleshooting skills, and somebody who has at least 1 year of customer service experience. Now, tech support or tech experience is not required, but it is a plus. And of course, you do have to be able to navigate around basic computer systems, be able to type at least 35 words per minute. Starting pay for this position is $17 an hour, and you get pay bumps and you will reach up to $20 an hour after 180 days of employment, which is 6 months. So your rate of pay increases 50 cents every month until you get to $20. So your first month you'll make $17 an hour. Your second month of employment you'll make $17.50. Your third month $18, and so on. Next up, we have the company CNH Industrial. They have 3,500 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a contact center agent, so again, like customer service phone based, for their dealer parts support. So for their dealers are going to be calling in wanting support on different parts or different part information. So that is what you're going to be doing. This one pays very well though, and it does say this can be performed 100% remote, located anywhere in the United States, so they have no state restrictions. But of course, it is basic customer support. You're going to answer dealer inquiries using your call expectations, making sure that you solve their problems, putting the customer first, and maintaining and building those strong relationships. You're also going to provide them detailed documentation of all correspondence that's captured. You're also going to document in the system anything that you kind of talk to them about. You're really trying to resolve their issues so that they have total vehicle downtime reduced. So they might be asking questions about the shipments of their parts, when they're going to receive them. You are just making sure that you give them all parts information so that they can get these parts, get them on these vehicles, and get these vehicles back on the road. Only requires a high school diploma and at least 1 year of customer service experience. Again, somebody who can type at least 35 words per minute and navigate around a basic computer system. Now, even though they're hiring throughout the United States, they do specifically want somebody who can work 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, convert your hours to see if that works for you. But this is a high-paying customer service job. Salary is anywhere from $50,000 a year up to $72,000 a year. $72,000 a year would be like $34 an hour. Now, next up, we have Burlington Stores hiring the retail discount stores. I don't know if you have one where you live, but I do have one where I live, and I am always finding great deals there. They have 6,800 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. Now, they are hiring an order specialist. Please note this is a fully remote work from home role, but they're looking for somebody to really be responsible for their purchase order coordination and management. This means you'll analyze, review, and input data related to purchase orders into the system. You'll solve any problems with these purchase orders that come up, and you'll just collaborate with the business partners to ensure that the details are communicated for all of these purchase orders. Now, this is going to require someone who has a strong Microsoft Office Excel or spreadsheet knowledge. You can use functions and formulas very well. So when you are doing your analysis of all the reports and purchase orders, you're going to have to do different things like VLOOKUPs and pivot tables, just identifying and interpreting the data, trying to find the trends and patterns on orders, or correcting inaccuracies when applicable. So you're just managing and modifying all of these order spreadsheets and creating the new purchase orders for their new merchandise into the system, adding them to the spreadsheets, and just looking for any areas of opportunity to improve the process of order execution. So while they do prefer a college degree, it's not required. Only a high school diploma or GED is required. And again, somebody who has very strong analytical skills. You can use Microsoft Office Excel. You have like data entry, data processing skills, office administrative skills, just basic use of a computer and how to navigate a computer. Now, pay for this one is listed all the way down at the bottom, literally the last thing. It is $18 an hour. Next up, we have Drive Time hiring. Drive Time has 1,300 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer service representative. And so Drive Time is hiring someone to do customer service for their Silver Rock division. Now, Drive Time itself as a company is in the automotive business. They sell cars and different things like that. And they even do like their own financing and in-house financing. So they have all kinds of different divisions of their business. And one of them is providing warranties on the cars and things that they do sell. And so the division that handles their warranties is called Silver Rock. So this job is basically doing customer service for their Silver Rock department for their automotive warranties. So you're going to be helping customers with information about claims processing if they have filed a warranty claim, claim status updates, or any other inquiries related to their warranty products. So you're going to have performance metrics that you have to meet. This is going to be like a production type environment. You will have to have strong communication skills and just problem solve anything that the customer needs. Now, this doesn't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 3 years of customer service experience. Of course, you've got to have great computer skills, be able to multitask, and have positive emotional resilience. And sadly for this one, they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And last but not least, we have Concentrix hiring. Now, they have 45,000 reviews from past and current employees and a pretty high overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. That rating is kind of high to get with that many reviews. So a lot of people really do love this company. But they're looking for technical support customer service representative. This is remote again for the United States. And they do have some state location restrictions, it does look like. It's available in, it looks like, 35 states. They are listed all right here. But this is more of a tech support role. You're going to answer those inbound phone calls using a call flow guide. So they're going to give you some like tip sheets and guidance to go by. And you're just resolving technical issues these customers are having related to hardware, software, or client products. Again, you're going to track, document, and retrieve information in databases. And so when you are solving their problem or finding information for them, you are going to be documenting in the computer at the same time exactly what information you're given to them and what they're relaying back to you, kind of tracking everything that was done. So this is going to require a multitasker. You also need to have broad knowledge of different products, services like smartphones, tablets, computers, wearables like fitness watches, things like that, and be familiar with both iOS and macOS as comparable technology is preferred. Now, other than just being a multitasker, you have to reside in the United States or have a valid U.S. address. You have to have at least 1 year of customer service experience, a strong focus on building customer relationships. You are always willing to put that customer first, high school diploma or GED, and somebody who is willing to learn new technologies and new skills and can be a problem solver. Sadly, again, for this one, no pay information was listed. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.